Hello guys, in this session we are going to deal with a completely new and a fresh topic, that is the geographical aspects, how to study and learn globe and maps. Why are we talking about it? Because this is something that relevant to our daily life. For example, if you want to locate a continent or a river, to go for a tripping with a family, or to go for a picnic, or to carry on any adventure, we have to locate that particular place first. These globe and maps are helpful to locate that particular place and to reach our destination. A lot of research is done in making of globe and maps. What is a globe? Globe derives from the Latin word globus, that is a sphere. Globe is a replica of Earth or any other celestial body. A model of Earth is a terrestrial globe and the model of celestial sphere is the celestial globe. Globe shows the details of its own subject. A terrestrial globe shows land masses and water bodies. It shows major cities, places, countries, and the network of latitudes and longitudes. Some globes raised relief to show mountains and major land forms. Celestial globe shows the notable stars and the positions of the astronomical objects. Globes can be useful to us to study the earth as a whole. But when we want to learn only a part of the earth in detail, it doesn't help very much. In such cases, we use maps. When a spherical earth is drawn to a scale on a paper or on any plane surface, it is called a map. A map gives more detailed information than a globe. Book of maps is called an atlas. Maps are helpful to us to understand the nature of terrain, are essential when roads and dams are constructed to identify places or routes. To know and understand the geographical conditions of any particular place. The major components of maps are distance, direction, scale, and symbols. Distance. Maps are the drawings to reduce large portions of land to fit on a sheet of paper. This reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places is very real. It is possible only when a small distance on a paper represents larger distance on the ground. Therefore, a scale is chosen. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometers. It is shown by 4 centimeters on a map. Thus, the scale of drawing is 4 centimeters is equal to 10 kilometers. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on a map. If we know the scale, we can calculate the distance between any two places on a map. Small scale map and large scale map. Small scale map. When a large area is shown on a small map, such a map is called small scale map, like a map of a country or a state. Large scale maps. When a small area like a village is shown on a map, such a map is called large scale maps, like a map of a neighborhood. Large scale maps give more detailed information than a small scale map. Directions. Maps also contains information about directions. On most of the maps, we can see an upward arrow with letter N. This is north direction. Once we know the north direction, we can identify the rest of the directions. North, south, west and east are the 4 major directions which we can also call it as cardinal directions. Some of the maps contains intermediate directions like northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Compass has been used for finding the directions at a place. This is a small circular box with a magnetic needle inside. This needle always points in north-south direction. It has been used by travelers and sailors since ages. Symbols. We use symbols to show any physical objects on a map. For example, if we are asked to show Delhi in India map, we will mark it with the point symbol and label it as Delhi. To show the river Godavari, we draw a line along its course. For a railway track, we represent it with the track line. In Andhra Pradesh, to show the area of a Guntur or a Krishna district, we demarcate its boundary and then mark it with the color which we called it as an area real symbol. So, to show any physical objects on a map, we use line, point or area symbols. To show the different physical objects on the map, we use this conventional signs which we called it as symbols. Hope you like this session about globes and maps. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.